Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. We recently moved to this beautiful 3-bedroom townhouse, and after we finalized our move, we decided to do a little home renovation. We wanted to get rid of the carpet and install vinyl flooring, as well as paint the walls from this light yellow to a bright white. We did consider the option of having it installed for us by professionals. However, after watching a bunch of how-to videos on YouTube, we got pretty confident and decided to try it ourselves. It was both exhausting and rewarding at the same time. Our learning curve was so huge, and I'm very grateful to have been able to learn all these new things about home improvement.
On the wall, go low, 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 low. There, right there, right there. All that yellow stuff. I want the yellow stuff gone. Roll it. Keep rolling.
We went with the Sherwin-Williams Emerald paint. It's a 0 VOC, very low emission paint, and I believe it was the color bright white. For the flooring, we went with the Life-Proof Luxury Vinyl Plank Flooring by Home Depot. I believe the color was Essential Oak, and we did the entire upstairs floor, the kids' bedroom, their playroom, our master bedroom walk-in closet, and our master bedroom, as well as the hallway and the stairs. Downstairs we have tile, so we are not going to change any of that. Good job. Good job, Vito. If you enjoyed my video, please like it. If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. I would totally appreciate it. Thank you so much.